Welcome to CAD 36. We will see how to make this part in SolidWorks. Let's make this part in 3 segments. First this base plate, second this cylinder portion, third this hook portion. And finally we can check how much weight for this part also. Okay. Go to top plane, sketch, and make the slot here, straight slot. We are taking the straight slot. And take the second option from the center and draw a slot, and draw a slot, 2 slot. Okay, make it 2 slot and go to circle and make a circle there. Same 4 circles and make the 4 circles equal. Select all 4 circles by press Ctrl and select all 4 circles and give equal and make a dimension. The outside radius to be 30 and the hole to be 30 dia. All dimensions are in mm only. From out to out is maximum 280. The out to out is 280 and this center to center is 180 mm. So we have to give some relation here. So select the whole center and whole center by give some relation vertical. You can change the dimension. We no need precision, so we'll make it none and make a dimension without precision. Okay, then go to extrude and extrude this for 15 mm. Okay, so select this face and make sketch here. Okay, then go to circle, make a circle by touching that origin. Make another circle. The first circle to be diameter dia 55 plus 55. Okay, so they gave the radius 55 and this radius to be 40 plus 40, so we will get diameter. Okay, and make a rectangle. We need a opening there, so we make the rectangle there and select these 2 points and make it vertical. Then go to trim and we have to trim this all. No need these portions, we no need. Okay, and okay, again make a center line and draw a line vertical and make this the construction line. Okay, and offset this. We need the top to be 50 mm flat in the drawing. Okay, so we make offset 25. Okay, now we make a line to close the flat surface. So make a line. Okay, then again go to trim and trim the remaining portions. Trim this portion, inside one, this here, this all we no need, just remove, and these two. Okay, now check the dimension. We will ensure the dimension. Okay, so this is 20. Okay, and see, this is 20. Okay, from here to here to be 50 mm. So this is 50. Okay, clear. Then we make extrude. Exit the sketch, go to extrude. You have to extrude up to this vertex and see the flat also came here. Okay, then go to sketch and make a rectangle here and circle here. Again we have to go for the trim and trim it inside the portion. Go to circle, make a circle from here to center to the end to be 135. Okay, then this radius to be, see, 30 and this diameter to be 30. Okay, now this is matching. Then go to sketch and make a copy entities and select this and drag it somewhere beside this. Then make a distance, the center to center to be 140, from here to end to be 70 mm. Now our sketch is ready. Okay, so exit the sketch. This diameter also 30 mm, but not required, same one. Okay, now exit the sketch and extrude, flip it. Now no need to merge this. Okay, no need to merge. Then flip it and extrude for 15 mm. Okay, cool. And again mirror this, take the right plane and we have to select the bodies to mirror. Select these two bodies and press OK. And this part is we have drawn the part. Okay, then you can select the material, what material you want. I will select the A36 material. Then we have to check the weight, go to evaluate and mass property. You will get the weight in grams, so go to option, custom setting. In the mass I can change to kg, so I will keep 2 precision, so the weight to be 12 kg 33 gram. Okay, that means 330 gram. If you want to change the color, go to appearance and change the color. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed, subscribe our channel. Thank you.